Hello, future developers. Welcome to the tutorial on web development. So, on our first, this is going to be our first project. Okay, it's going to be this. So, as you see here, so we'll be learning to use Flex. Okay. So let's see. Now, first, if I do some changes here, okay, it should take effect immediately. So, let's say I want to change this red to let's say green. Okay. Okay, so you can see it's taking effect. Now, this is done because of the extension lifesaver. Okay, under normal circumstance, what you would have done was to, after doing your coding, you would have to refresh it before the changes occur. But the lifesaver is able to make it possible, like any slight changes you make. So let me just control Z. Okay, so you can see it should change. Okay, so you can see it's changed back. So you'd have to go to your extensions and then search for lifesaver. So lifesaver. Okay, so I'm going to enlarge this lifesaver. Okay, so this lifesaver, you would have to install it. Okay, so it's created by this developer. Okay. Then once it's done, you would have to probably it will ask you to restart also. If you doesn't restart, then you just have to go ahead. Um, sorry, building or designing what you have to do. Now here, so to go live, you would have to let me cancel this. Okay, so I'm going to close. I'm going to stop the server. Okay, so this is how you stop the server, and then when I click on go live, okay, it should open my default browser, and then I can start editing. Okay. For it to work, you would always have to create your project in a folder. Okay, if you don't create your project in a folder, it wouldn't work. Okay, or you might have issues. So first, remember to create your project in a folder before you're able before Lifesaver would work. Okay, or better still, visit Pexels, okay, and then download any image of your choice, or you can do that from Pixabay. Okay, so Pixabay, and then download any image of your choice. So let's say I want this image. Okay, and free download it. Choose any size and then download. Okay. Okay, so I'll see you in the next project. Thank you.